Hi, I'm Colin Greenwood, who designed and developed the Wallace Collection app. The app was designed as a learning tool for the Wallace Collection. Let's kick off the app by pressing the app icon. This first tutorial will cover the introduction screens. The first screens that appears is the introductory screen. There are currently 8 separate introductory screens. This is the first of the introductory screens and has an underlying screen that displays a number of the collection treasures. Overlaying it is a digital artwork developed in the style of Piet Mondrian. There are horizontal and vertical lines created in black, with the inner rectangles created in the primary colours of red, blue and yellow. It is dynamic, with the abstract screen dynamically being created. The position of the horizontal and vertical lines are random, as are the coloured squares that contain the red, blue and yellow crosshatch. Moving to the main menu, press the icon in the top right hand corner. Press the screen type and you can see a list of the current 8 introductory screens. Always the first screen displayed is the Mondrian style screen. Let us look at the others. Pressing the Jan Phoenix collection, the Jan Phoenix collection and the other following screen types follow a consistent pattern. There are a set of paintings by the specified artist, all of which are on display at the Wallace collection. From each painting there are a number of images that are close-ups of the original painting, displaying in greater detail a small part of the specific painting. The Jan Phoenix screens are portrait mode displays with a frame enclosing the main image. It is a digital art display created using multiple threads. One of the threads takes control of the main image while another thread creates the frame and a third thread draws the expanding white box. These threads are all in addition to the main thread, which allows you to enter the main menu, whose icon is in the top left hand corner. The Canaletto views, the Guardi views and Watteau collection use the same underlying code to create the digital art display. Only the images vary. The Canaletto views with blue frame is a separate display using separate code to create an alternative display. This is the case with the Sèvres vases and Guardi views with circle frame. Let us move to the Canaletto views with blue frame screen display. Moving to the main menu, press the icon in the top right hand corner, press screen type and then Canaletto with blue frame. See how the images appear as in the previous display? The frame now is altogether different, with an initial blue frame that breaks into blue and green rectangular shapes, and then the blue and green rectangular shapes transition, the green becoming blue and the blue turning to green. If we turn to the Canaletto views, we can compare the two displays. See how both displays display the same set of images, but the framework within which they are displayed is different. With the version 1.7 of the Wallace Collection app, there are two more introductory screens. The first we will visit is the Sèvres Vases screen. This introductory screen displays 6 of the Wallace Collection Sèvres vases. For each of the 6 vases there are 4 discrete images, the main image and the 3 high detail images. The images shift between the main display and then a detailed display and then back to the main display. At the same time as the images are shifting back and forth, there is a frame in white being created and a more complex frame in gold being created. The pattern that makes up the frame in gold is a pattern that is seen on a number of the Sèvres vases. The second of the new introductory screens is the Guardi views with circles. Let's bring this display on screen. This frame has been updated with version 1.8. It consists of 2 rectangular frames with a display of initially 8 expanding circles, which is followed by a subsequent 8 circles. The second set of circles have a different hue and have a slightly smaller radius when fully enlarged. After expanding to their full, they rotate in a clockwise direction, resulting in each set replacing the alternate set by location. The colours of the circles alternate between an orange hue and a blue. This is the end of the introductory screens tutorial.